Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. The purpose of this video is to provide an overview of a lesson sequence aligned to the Next-Gen Science standards. The lesson sequence incorporates real-world science from the National Marine Mammal Foundation and its researchers, as well as a variety of teacher resources to support the implementation of this lesson. Thank you and enjoy. Hi, my name is Kelly Fleming, and I work at Vista Unified School District as a secondary district resource teacher. This lesson series comes from a collaborative project with ONR Real, the National Marine Mammal Foundation, and CREATE. CREATE is the Center for Research on Educational Equity, Assessment, and Teaching Excellence at the University of California in San Diego. ONR Real is designed to create a powerful context for Office of Naval Research supported researchers to partner with secondary school science teachers in the San Diego region to translate research practices and findings into powerful learning experiences for students. 5E is an instructional model that represents 5 stages of a sequence for teaching and learning. These stages are engage, explore, explain, extend or elaborate, and evaluate. The purpose of the 5E activities as described in this video is to teach students about the fluidity and flexibility of the cell membrane, its connection to diabetes, and how dolphins and humans share a commonality with the disease state. Students will explore the fluidity of the cell membrane and the causative relationship between the lipid composition of the cell membrane and type 2 diabetes. Videos of phenomena are a great way to engage students, elicit prior knowledge, and introduce them to new concepts. In this activity, students will watch a video of a cell membrane being manipulated by laser tweezers. Students will describe what they think is happening, explain why they think that, and record questions that come to mind about the phenomenon. Students will then share with a partner what they think is happening and why, and then summarize what their partner is thinking and why. The student worksheet for the Engage activity is located in the link attached to this video. Continuing with Day 1, students will embark on the Explore activity. Bubbles make great models for cell membranes. In the Explore activity, students will participate in experiences that develop their understanding that cell membranes are fluid, flexible, and can self-repair. The research question guiding their exploration is what unique properties does the cell membrane have? Students will record their observations, have discussions with their peers, and finally, develop their own model to explain how a cell membrane works. The student worksheet for the Explore activity is located in the link attached to this video. In the Cell Membrane Explore activity, soap bubbles were used to model several properties that are characteristic of cellular membranes. In the Explain activity, students will describe how the soap bubble was used to model the different concepts. In other words, how did the soap bubble and cell property relate to one another? We also expand the research question guiding their work to what unique properties does a cell membrane have that support how the cell membrane works? In the second activity for Day 2, students will be connecting complex text with their science exploration and will be introduced to the concept of homeostasis. They will read text about the role of the cell membrane and homeostasis, answer text-dependent questions, and finally, revise their original model and add new understandings to explain how the cell membrane works. The student worksheets for both of these activities are in the link attached to this video. Students are able to make deeper connections to content when we connect learning to real-world examples. In the Elaborate or Extend activities, students will be introduced to the concepts of cellular energy, glucose, fatty acids, diabetes, and their connection to the cell membrane, and what these have in common with dolphins. There will be some initial direct instruction, then students will watch a video, participate in data analysis activities, and work on a culminating activity. In the culminating activity, students will imagine they are working as a researcher at the National Marine Mammal Foundation. Their director has asked that they develop a multimedia presentation for the public that illustrates how dolphins may hold the key to a cure for type 2 diabetes. Students will be expected to integrate their new understandings and skills acquired from the previous activities that include the phenomenon, cell membrane, reading, and data analysis activities. The student worksheet and PowerPoint presentation for the data analysis and multimedia presentation activities are in the link attached to this video. Evaluate is the fifth E in the 5E instructional model and takes place throughout the learning sequence. This phase encourages learners to assess their understanding and abilities and allows teachers to evaluate students' understanding of key concepts. Evaluation includes observation of students' knowledge and skill development, their application of new concepts, and a change in their thinking. Ask open-ended questions and look for answers that use observation, evidence, and previously accepted explanations. And finally, provide opportunities for students to assess their own learning. This concludes our video, and we hope you find these lessons useful. If you have any questions, please send me an email. The address is in the link attached to this video. Thank you.